Hello, this is Hetec. Hetec is a manufacturer of hardware made in Germany. We develop and manufacture our hardware in Munich. This is where you get the products from. What we launched today here is our new Multiviewer KVM switch, which you see here. It's a hardware, you connect your sources, for example computers, DVD players, cameras, with VGA or DVI for the video, with USB or PS2 for the keyboard and mouse signals. And what this Multiviewer is doing, it's bringing the 4 video sources onto one single display. So what you see here is a quad split image of 4 images. Of course we could show them in picture-in-picture modes or in different Windows modes where we can freely position and resize all sources with image transparency. As display you can use a touch screen. I could touch in here. That switches automatically keyboard, mouse and audio of that first channel, and I could stop the video here or restart it. Like working in a computer while monitoring the other sources. Same here, I click into that one and could start the video, or that one here and stop the video. Oh, here it's overlapping, it's not that easy. And what you also could do is, in Win mode, you can freely resize and position your images live, like on an Apple iPhone. Resize it, freely scale it, or scale it without having the aspect ratio turned, but kept in the same way. So there's keyboard and mouse control or touchscreen control of all sources while being able to monitor all sources at the same time.